In this short video, I'll show you how to build a compound interest calculator in Excel so you can project long-term earnings from a reinvested profits. Firstly, since compound interest calculating in Excel is a bit challenging considering it requires plenty of calculations, to make it easier, we will use an AI assistant tool instead. First, go ahead and highlight your data like this by Control C. Next, go to an AI assistant tool. I'll use ChatGPT for this one. There we go. Next, we'll go ahead and paste our data. Don't worry if it's unable to upload an image because our data is right here anyways. Press Shift Enter to go down a few blocks and we'll input a prompt for the AI tool to use for something like, could you please use the data I provided and give the result of a compound interest calculation. Please provide the result in a table for easy viewing. Thank you. Let's press enter. It's going to take some time to use our data and do a compound interest calculations. But once it gives you the result, it should give you the proper one. There we go. It has given us the final amount of our value. There we go. Now you know how to build a compound interest calculations in Excel. You can watch this playlist if you ever get stuck with this problem.